I've been using Atlas Earth for months and I've actually successfully cashed out multiple times. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can scale up your account and maximize your earnings on the platform without spending any money on Atlas Earth. Hey everyone, it's Dan from Sidehustle Reliance. On my channel, we're focused on helping the online money-making community find new and exciting ways to profit using our PCs and our smartphones. I've been exploring Atlas Earth, the virtual real estate game, for over 5 months now, and I've discovered some great tips to help you maximize your earnings on the platform. It's literally like a game of Monopoly without the constant arguments about who owns what. Back on September 7th, 2024, I shared a video diving into Atlas Earth, which is a passive income application where you can earn by buying virtual land, and then you actually earn rent 24/7 from that, and that's even when you're offline. Atlas Earth is actually the #1 real estate metaverse on the web. Since that initial video, I've actually made it part of my daily routine to use Atlas Earth as much as possible, and I've actually devised a strategy which I'm going to be sharing in this video. With that strategy, I'm actually currently earning 20 cents a day with Atlas Earth, with my end goal being $5 a day without spending any money on the platform. If you're curious about how to make the most of Atlas Earth, I'm here to share everything I've learned and all the tips and tricks. Before we dive into this strategy, if you haven't signed up for Atlas Earth, I've actually left a link in the description. If you use my exclusive link, you'll actually get 200 Atlas bucks for free once you bought your 11th piece of land, which isn't too bad. For anyone who actually hasn't used Atlas Earth before, when you actually sign up and log in for the first time, you'll actually be given 100 Atlas bucks. This is enough to purchase your first parcel of land. And you may be thinking, what should I do? Well, each piece of land costs 100 Atlas bucks, and with that you can buy any piece of land. Once you actually do this, you will actually be told what the rarity of the land is: common, rare, epic, or legendary. The higher the rarity, the more rent you will earn, simple as. With your first piece of land, you will only earn a tiny fraction of a penny per second. To boost your earnings though, you need to focus on acquiring more land. Whatever you do, do not pay for land though. It is £5 for a piece of land in the UK, and it's definitely not worth doing.
Don't waste your money!
Here's how you can actually acquire some free Atlas bucks for little to no effort. Firstly, you can get 150 bonus Atlas bucks by adding your phone number to the application and opting in for text messages. To do this, click your profile photo, then go to settings, scroll down until you get to add your phone number, and then fill in the details. One thing to note though, you will have to verify this phone number once you actually come to cashing out anyway, so it's worth doing it now and actually getting that additional 150 Atlas bucks bonus. So now that your account's set up, you've got your first piece of land and 150 coins, you can now go and buy another piece of land. And now we can actually get to the main goal of the game, which is to acquire as much land as possible without spending any money in this game. What you need to do is you need to focus on buying land as frequently as possible. And obviously there's several ways where you can do this, but the most efficient way is by watching ads on the platform. In the US, each ad actually gives you 2 Atlas bucks, but outside the US, each ad actually gives you 1 Atlas buck per ad watched. To watch ads, head over to the shop, scroll down until you see the word free, click it, and watch the ad. The Atlas bucks will be credited to your account once the actual ad has been finished. The ads can be watched every 20 minutes, so make it a habit to maximize your Atlas bucks by watching these ads.
And we've gone to the adverts.
Another great way to earn on Atlas Earth is with diamonds. So you need to find diamonds in the wild by exploring your local area. I know, in real life. When you see these diamonds, make sure you click them to actually add them to your account. You can then use these diamonds to spin a wheel in the application under the events tab to actually earn some easy Atlas bucks. You can actually earn up to 50 Atlas bucks per spin, which is fantastic. I'm going to be honest with you though, I actually never won above 8 Atlas bucks through this wheel, but still, it's still an easy way to earn. Here's a quick pro tip: to farm diamonds, if you're a passenger in a train or a car, you can farm diamonds with ease by literally some quick clicks. It's that easy. You can spin this wheel a max of 5 times a day, but you will have to have 5 diamonds. You can actually also earn through surveys on Atlas Earth, but I actually advise against this, mainly because there's better survey platforms out there like Squadbucks and Free Cash where you would get paid significantly more.
Don't waste your time.
To get to the next stage of earning on the platform, you actually need to keep grinding out the ads and diamonds until you actually own at least 3 pieces of land. So once you actually got these 3 pieces of land, you actually unlock the daily check-in feature. As the name suggests, you'll get paid to log in to the app daily. Just make sure you check in every single day, as the longer you keep this streak alive, the more free Atlas bucks you will earn. You'll earn at least 1 Atlas bucks per day, with milestone rewards at day 7 for 8 Atlas bucks, day 14 for 25 Atlas bucks, day 30 for 50 Atlas bucks, day 60 for 80 Atlas bucks, and day 100 for 200 Atlas bucks. If you do miss a day on this streak though, you will be reset back to day 1, so always make sure you keep it going. Trust me, it is heartbreaking when that happens. So now that you actually know the strategy on how to actually earn and actually get quite a few bits of land going, you need to find out how to actually boost your earnings even further.
So how do we get more money?
Every 6 hours, you can watch up to 6 additional ads to increase your rent and boost it by up to 50x during that time frame. To do this, click on the word boost on the home screen of the application, and then it'll flag up how much is actually available at this current time. It does fluctuate, and then literally watch the ad and an hour will be added to your boost timings. It's a simple way and it's the most effective way to actually increase your earnings. The best thing is, the more pieces of land you actually own, the more you actually earn through these boosts. So it's definitely worth making sure that you've actually got the 6-hour boosts running 24/7. Now that's the main strategy done, and you need to keep doing this until you actually own 40 pieces of land. And once you've actually done that, you then should start to look into potentially buying badges in the application, which cost 200 coins. For the first 10 badges you actually do own, you get a 5% rent boost on any land you actually own. Once you actually earn between 10 and 20 badges, you actually get a 10% rent boost.
Yo, you sure you're only 40?
Now that you've actually got the strategy down, you need to keep following this strategy until you hit $5 and you can cash out to PayPal. Whatever you do, do not reinvest your money. As soon as you hit that $5, cash out and enjoy your rewards. And to do this, all you need to do is click the balance at the top of the screen, and then it'll ask you how much you want to withdraw. You verify your phone number, and then you can choose PayPal and it'll be sent out shortly. Currently, I actually do own 37 pieces of land, which is 19 common, 12 rare, 5 epic, and 1 legendary, which isn't too bad. And I cash out as soon as I hit $5, and I just start the process again, start that grind. Currently with this application, I make around 20 cents a day by watching ads and constantly buying more land. My balance earned so far is $14.71, which isn't much, but it is a very slow start. And like I said, as soon as I hit $5, I cash out and I restart this journey again. Atlas Earth is one of those apps which actually starts off really slow at the start, but the more time you invest, the more you actually earn on the platform, which is what I really like, and the growth rate is definitely gradual. Based on my current strategy, I'm actually buying a piece of land every 8 days, with my goal to earn at least 15 Atlas bucks per day by watching ads. I know I'm going to get asked this, and you could potentially automate the ad watching process on Atlas Earth, but keep in mind that if you did this, it would be a violation of the terms of service, so I don't actually recommend it. The only downside to Atlas Earth is the high cash out amount, which can be a tad impractical despite the amazing passive earning potential you can have on the platform. I personally treat this as a game, and if I can cash out every month or two, I'm fine with that. And if it is just watching ads, there's not really much you can lose. I actually find this application pairs really well with Ember, the Bitcoin mining app. If you actually use my code on screen right now, you can actually increase your boost on the application, and it actually does synergize really well with this. On Ember, you have to watch 1 ad a day, and you can earn up to $80, $90 a month in free Bitcoin if you have the right mining speed. Anyways, thank you so much for watching my video. On screen right now is my Tunis videos, and I'll catch you guys real soon.
So I could just quit my job and do this full time?
Nah, I never said that.
Oh, money on the